Get Fuji Amulet Innovality ready for biopsy exams. Steps to follow. Remove universal face shield. Remove compressor paddle. Place the protective sheet over the breast support. Open the cover of the biopsy positioner connectors. The compressor paddle assembly position should be high enough for biopsy positioner insertion. Insert the biopsy positioner carefully into the dedicated holes in the gantry column and ensure the red section on the locks is not visible. Ensure the compressor paddle assembly is in the highest position. Attach and lock the biopsy paddle as shown. Clip the operation panel on the preferred armrest and connect the cable to the back of the biopsy positioner. Turn on the positioner power control cabinet and wait about 10 seconds to switch on the operation panel. Initialization takes a few seconds. Press the Home button to drive the positioner to home position. Press Stop at any time to stop motion if needed. Calibration accuracy check. Steps to follow. Place the accuracy check phantom over the breast support as shown and apply a light compression. Register the calibration check patient information as required and start a biopsy exam to run a calibration accuracy check. Select a biopsy tomo exam. Once the study is started and the biopsy button has been clicked, the system is ready for exposure. Press the exposure button to complete the biopsy tomo sequence. Images taken are displayed. Wait for the volume reconstruction. Scroll through the images and select the plane where the selected target, tip, is well defined. Place the marker on the target. Select vertical approach. Observe the breast pictogram indications, breast thickness, target distance to breast support and skin, as well as the target coordinates, X, Y, and Z. Open the needle drop-down menu and select the test calibration needle. Confirm selected needle values. Click the Send button to send coordinates and needle characteristics to the biopsy positioner. The operation panel shows the target ID and calibration needle length. Press OK to confirm. Press OK to confirm vertical approach. the target information is displayed. Press the target button to drive the needle holder to the selected target coordinates. Attach the calibration needle to the needle holder. The tip of the calibration needle should touch the tip of the target. Remove the calibration needle when done. As shown, the dedicated Amulet Innovality adapter for EnCor, E adapter, is already attached to the fire forward piece. Attach the EnCor bracket to the driver and adjust it. Attach the driver to the fire forward piece. For needle calibration accuracy check, ensure post-fire position is set. Program the EnCor Enspire needles in the Amulet Innovality system. Steps to follow. Click on the Biopsy button in the Acquisition screen. Click on Settings to display the Needle panel. Adding a new needle. Steps to follow. Click on New to add an EnCor 113mm 10G full notch needle. Three measurements must be done, and values entered in the dedicated field. A. Total needle length. B. EnCor stroke value. C. Distance from the center of the notch to the tip of the needle. Repeat the steps for adding EnCor 113mm 10G half notch. Click Save when done to save the new needle in the needle panel. Verify that the needles have been added to the list. Follow the same steps to add EnCor 12G if needed. Accuracy calibration check must be completed for each one of them. EnCor Enspire 113 10G full notch calibration accuracy check. Press the exposure button to complete the biopsy tomo sequence. Images taken are displayed. Wait for the volume reconstruction. Scroll through the images and select the plane where the selected target, tip, is well defined. Place the marker on the target. Select vertical approach. Observe the breast pictogram indications, breast thickness, target distance to breast support and skin, as well as the target coordinates, X, Y, and Z. Open the needle drop-down menu and select the EnCor 113 full 10G needle. confirm selected needle values. Click the Send button to send coordinates and needle characteristics to the biopsy positioner. In the Operation panel, the target information is displayed right after touching OK to confirm the target ID and needle, and OK again to confirm vertical approach. Press the Target button to drive the needle holder to the selected target coordinates. Attach the Fuji dedicated needle guide holder for EnCor. Lower the needle holder. Angulate the tube to free space for needle insertion. Insert the probe. The tip of the selected target should be about in the middle of the notch.